Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device so the reset won't cost you data. First, back up to iCloud or Finder. Make sure the backup completed and you can see a date stamp. Next, sign out of iCloud or note your Apple ID and password because activation lock can block progress. Once done, plug the iPhone in or ensure battery is above 50% and connect to a stable Wi-Fi. Now you're ready to open Settings and move to General. You'll now perform the core erase. In Settings, go to General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone and choose Erase all content and settings. When prompted, authenticate with your device passcode and confirm. This removes apps, data, and settings. If asked about your Apple ID, choose to sign out and remove it. This clears activation lock if you have credentials. The phone will ask one last time, then it erases and automatically restarts. The screen will show the Apple logo and progress bar. Once the iPhone restarts, follow the on-screen setup. Choose language, Wi-Fi, and either restore from backup or set up as new. Make sure to sign in with your Apple ID to regain iCloud services. If activation lock asks for an Apple ID you don't have, try account recovery or remove the device from your Apple ID and if you can access it from another device. If the erase hangs, perform a force restart and, if needed, use recovery mode with Finder or iTunes on a computer to reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.